Hi friends, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varunganga. Friends, in the last session we have learned some examples regarding how to find cubes by using Anurupena Sutra at higher level. And now in this session we are going to see one more example regarding the same concept. Now let us see what the example is. The example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 71. So friends, in order to find the cube of 71, at first we have to make a table like this. I think you have got pretty idea about the rows and the parts of process that we have discussed in our earlier sessions by using Anurupena Sutra in finding the cubes at beginner's level. And now we will use the same concept, but at short level we will get the answers for the cube of the given numbers. Now if we observe the first row, the first part, what we have to do here is we have to cube the digit that is in the tens place of the given number. So here in the example 71 we are having 7 in tens place, so by cubing the number 7 we will get 343, and that 343 answer I have written in the next row called simplification over here. And coming to the second part, what we have to do here is we have to square the digit that is in tens place and we have to multiply with the digit in ones place. So in our example 71 we are having 7 in tens place and 1 in ones place. So therefore 7 square into 1 is equals to 49 into 1, and which is equals to 49, and the answer what I have got I have written in the next row called simplification over here. Now moving to the third part, what we have to do here is we have to multiply the digit in tens place with the square of the digit in ones place. So again in our example 71 we are having 7 in tens place and 1 in ones place. So therefore 7 into 1 square is equals to 7 into 1, and which is equals to 7, and the answer what I have got I have written in the next row called simplification over here. Finally moving to the fourth part, here what we have to do is we have to cube the digit that is in ones place of the given number. So here in our example 71 we are having 1 in ones place, so by cubing the number 1 we will get 1 as answer, and that I have written in the next row called simplification over here. After completing the first row process, now moving to the second row, what we have to do here is we have to double the second part and the third part of the first row answers. So here in the second part of the first row answer what we have got is 49, and if we double the number 49 we get 98, and the answer that I have written in the second part of the second row over here. And the third part answer of the first row what we have got is 7, and if we double the number 7 we will get 14, and the answer I have written in the third part of the second row over here. After completion of the process in second row, moving to the third row, in third row what we are going to do is we have to add up all the answers what we have got in first row and second row. Now coming to the fourth part, here we are having 1 in first row and no other number in second row. So now what I am going to do here is I am going to write the 1 answer as it is in the fourth part of the third row. Now moving to the third part, here we are having 7 in first row and 14 in second row. So by adding these two numbers we get 21, and the sum we have to write it in the third part of the third row over here. Moving to the second part, here we are having 49 in first row and 98 in second row. By adding these two numbers we get 147 as the sum, and the sum we have to write it in the second part of the third row answer. Finally moving to the first part, here we are having 343 in first row, but we don't have any other numbers in second row, so therefore we have to write the number 343 as it is in the first part of the third row answer. Now after getting the first, second, third and fourth part in the third row, what we have to do here is we have to add up all the digits by using some special rules of additions and carry-ons. So now coming to the fourth part, again here we are having only one digit, so I have written directly that one digit in our answer here. Now moving to the third part, we have two digits, but according to our rules we should have only one digit, so therefore I am taking the digit in ones place, that is 1, and I have written in our answer like this. And the remaining number 2 should be taken as carry on to the next part, that is to the second part. So here in the second part the answer what I have got is 147. By adding the carry on to it we get 149. So therefore again it is a 3-digit number, so we have to take the digit in ones place, that is 9, and the remaining number 14 should be taken as carry on to the next part, that is to the first part. Here in the first part The answer what I have got is 343, and by adding the carry on 14 to it, we get 357. Since there are no more parts to carry the extra number, so we have to write the whole number as it is in the answer. After applying some special rules of additions and carry-ons for the first, second, third and fourth part of the third row, what we have to do here is we have to club or combine all the answers what we have got, and we get the final answer for the cube of 71, that is 357,911. And so therefore we can say that 71 cube is equals to 357,911. So friends, this is the way how we can use Anurupena Sutra in finding the cube of a given two-digit number. I hope you have understood pretty well how to use this Anurupena Sutra at higher level. So guys, in the next session, we will see some more examples regarding the same Anurupena Sutra in finding the cubes at higher level. For watching this video, thank you. Have a nice day.